Welcome to another episode of Zack Talk. Today we're diving into one of the most important conversations in the AI era. Who really controls the future of intelligence? Is it big tech, open communities, or the policies that bind them? Let's unpack the rise of AI monopolies, the battle between open source and closed systems, and how it all connects to the future of your work. Let's start with the numbers. By 2025, companies like Microsoft, Google, and Amazon are expected to invest over $255 billion into AI development. That's more than the GDP of over 100 countries. With that kind of money, they're not just building tools, they're buying influence, infrastructure, and control. As of 2023, 96% of large AI models are created by private companies, not universities or public institutions. This means that a few companies are deciding how the most powerful technology in history is built and who gets to use it. At the same time, lawsuits are piling up. The New York Times is suing OpenAI. Getty Images is suing Stability AI. Why? Because these companies allegedly scraped copyrighted content to train their models. Data is the new oil, and the fight over who owns it has just begun. Here's the tension. Open source models like Meta's Llama allow anyone to download, modify, and deploy them freely. They empower developers, especially in smaller countries or startups, to innovate without depending on tech giants. But closed models like GPT-4 or Claude, they're powerful but gated. You access them through paid APIs, you don't know what they were trained on, and you can't modify them. The companies control the rules, and they can change them anytime. To make things worse, regulations like the EU AI Act might accidentally hurt open source communities. The cost of compliance, estimated at over €400,000 per year, could crush small developers and leave only big players standing. AI is changing not just what we do, but how we define work itself. Goldman Sachs estimates that 300 million jobs worldwide could be affected by AI, but not all will vanish. Some will transform. New roles like prompt engineers, AI auditors, and automation architects are already emerging. In 2023, IBM paused hiring for over 7,800 back-office roles, saying AI could take over those repetitive tasks. Meanwhile, PwC committed $1 billion to upskill 75,000 workers in AI literacy and tools. The real question is, will these benefits be shared or hoarded? If AI only makes big firms more powerful, we'll see deeper inequality. But if we align innovation with inclusion, AI could become a force for good. So, will AI serve the many or just the few? That answer depends on how we build, regulate, and share these technologies today. Thanks for listening, and if this sparked any thoughts, share this episode and start a conversation.